My favorite thing about the acupuncture is that it is so relaxing.
Sex and the City star Kristen Davis enjoys acupuncture's relaxation benefits, but could it help you look younger? Millions of dollars are being spent each year on creams and chemicals used to prevent wrinkles and aging. Many of these chemicals contain harsh ingredients. Well, now Hollywood Green offers an acupuncture alternative.
Gwyneth Paltrow, Madonna, Cher, Sarah Jessica Parker, there's so many that have done this.
When it comes to younger looking skin, celebrities are choosing a healthier, greener alternative to Botox injections, cosmetic acupuncture.
It's a natural approach and it works, and it just gives the face a glow and works with wrinkles.
Romy Simone uses the ancient art of acupuncture on her celebrity clientele to stave off the effects of aging. Eliminating injections of foreign substances into the body minimizes side effects.
Botox is paralyzing the muscle. So sometimes people have like a lopsided face, or I've had patients come in with like big nodules or balls in their mouth.
So how does facial acupuncture work?
Collagen is actually being built up because of the microstimulation from the irritation from the needles.
And natural collagen production tightens the existing fibers, leaving the face more supple and smooth while minimizing lines. A normal course of facial acupuncture consists of 10 to 20 sessions for each separate facial area of the upper and lower face and neck.
The first thing I'm going to do is work with the upper face.
On the upper face, Romy inserts the painless needles along the line of the face to reduce the appearance of crow's feet. And under the eyes to tackle puffiness.
So I'm going to actually go in and follow the lines of the wrinkles and just needle right in there. Any toxins that are in the body or in the face can actually come sort of through and out the needles.
Next, Romy focuses on the lower portion of the face.
What we're working on is marionette lines, fine lines around the mouth, any lines on the chin, and the biggest part, which are the jowls, to tighten them.
Finally, needles run across the lines of the neck.
I consider the neck its own hole pretty much when I'm doing the cosmetic acupuncture, and there are a lot of lines around it. The effects last generally 3 to 5 years.
According to Romy, creating collagen naturally with acupuncture yields longer lasting results.
Even though the treatment course is longer, it's about 10 to 20 treatments before you see results, it's natural. And that's why the results last.
The cost for this acupuncture treatment?
My treatments are $200 a session. I wouldn't be passionate about what I do if I didn't think it worked. I've seen such amazing results that I just say, give it a try, even if it's once.
A Hollywood Green fact: studies have shown that acupuncture provides numerous medical benefits, from reducing pain and anxiety to aiding with chemotherapy-induced nausea.